This is my boyfriend. His name is Bobby.
Bobby.
Bobby. Bobby.
Bobby. I like your Bobby.
My Bobby would.
My Bobby would.
No.
My Bobby would.
Like so big. Like close your mouth for a second. Look at your lips. Oh baby. You're fogging up the camera, man. Hey.
Hey.
What the fuck, man? What is he doing?
I don't know.
I don't know.
Why does it make my nose look so big?
I stand on the toilet, you know. Pretend like you're taking a shower, you know. No, I'm in there. Hey, close the shower curtain. Sexy, like. I said sexy, like.
Oh, stop looking at me. Quit looking at me.
He's imitating me, you know. Ugh, sexy man. Show me your abs. No, your abs. You can't even see it on the camera, really. Now you can.
Let me draw it in.
Happy trails to you.
What do you think you're doing? Quit looking at me.
He's psycho, he's crazy, loco.
Hey, where's your penis?
Right here.
What was that? What are you doing? Are you gonna moon me?
Look at my penis.
What is all the shower? Alright, we're done. We're done with this video, you know. I don't know why we're making this video, you know. I'm gonna put it on YouTube, you know. Okay, bye.